Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of ichroma test kit, D-dimer test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. So it also comes with the buffer as a separate package. So we kept it in the vitro and the jet ice for the temperature control. This is the Boditech ichroma D-dimer test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. The details are here. Let me show this. You can see this ichroma D-dimer is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of D-dimer in human whole blood and plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of post-therapeutic evaluation of thromboembolic disease patients. This is for in vitro diagnostic use only. So this box contains 25 cartridges, one ID chip, one instruction for use, and 25 reduction buffer tube packed in a separate box. And this is the one. You can see this is the 25 reduction buffer which is packed separately. Okay, so this is a temperature controlled one. And here come back to the main box. You can see this is a reference part number CFPC-25. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see this here. This box can be stored in a room temperature, but the buffer has to be maintained in a temperature between 2 to 8. You can see this box, lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date. So here you go. Let me go around the box for you. Yes, it is. Also show you around the reduction buffer box. You can see it says ichroma D-dimer reduction buffer, 25 reduction buffer tubes. So this is the buffer side. I'm going to keep it here. I'll just open this little later. Okay, let me go with the main box. This is the D-dimer from ichroma. I'll open this for you. Okay, got this here. So inside the box you can see there is one IFU brochure. So I'll just open this IFU brochure. You can see it says ichroma D-dimer. You can see introduction, principle, warning and precautions, and then you have the limitation of the test, storage and stability, material test procedure, test setup, how to conduct your test, how to interpret your results. So you have the complete details to conduct the test. You get the complete information here. So inside you can see there is one ID chip, the lot number mentioned on it. You can see this here. Just let me show this for you. Okay, got it. And 25 cartridges inside. So we'll just keep this here. Keep one here and other one here. You can see it says ichroma D-dimer, and you can see the lot number here and also the expiry period, the other side of the cartridge pouch. I have to open this. You can see this is the reduction buffer. You can see this here, ichroma D-dimer reduction buffer, the same lot number you can see, manufacturing expiry period, which has to be maintained 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So we have kept it in the ice for maintaining the temperature. The room is also air conditioned. This is the buffer, so I can keep it here. You can see the 25 reduction individual buffers. So let me pull one out for you. Oh, here you go. You can see the liquid inside. This is how it looks like. Put it back. Okay, quickly to summarize here today, we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma D-dimer test kit. This is a 25 test kit pack, and this is a CIVD certified product. And in a 25 test kit pack you get one ID chip, 25 cartridges, one IFU brochure, and 25 individual reduction buffer. This is how the total test kits looks like. So this is the reduction buffer. so you get the complete details. Thank you.